Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick recap of the day and what we did today in the community. So let's begin quickly. So in the morning, I had given this trade yesterday of SW Solar, I think on Thursday, that it's a high conviction trade, and my first targets are around 600, 620, and yesterday it was an upper circuit, so I had all the more conviction that okay, this is gonna go good. So everyone was asking कि कितने में बेचना है, at what price should we sell. So it was opening in the pre-market hours at around 630, 640 levels. So I said give 50% here at open and then rest at around 650, 660 levels. So that's what we did today. We got a huge amount of profits in SW Solar. ये हमारा एक BTST ट्रेड हो गया. ठीक है, वहाँ पे सब लोग ने एटलीस्ट 2 दिन में 10 से 15% का प्रॉफिट बुक किया है, गिव और टेक. Although the stock prices went up from 555 to 660 and above, but give or take 100 rupees के आसपास सबने कैप्चर किया है ये ट्रेड में. देन दी अदर ट्रेड वाज ITI. ठीक है, ये भी एक स्विंग ट्रेड कम BTST ट्रेड था. ठीक है, वो भी चार्ट के हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ. मॉइल वाज आर वेरी गुड स्विंग ट्रेड, जो हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट 307 के लेवल से राइड कर रहे हैं. मॉइल आज 10% ऊपर था, एंड फ्रॉम आवर प्राइस इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट अप बाई 20-25 ऑट परसेंटेज. सो दैट वॉज रियली नाइस. ITI 11% पे गया. TTML एंड आइडिया जो हमने पहले शेयर्स दिए थे वो भी आज अच्छे से चले. आइडिया वॉज अप by 6% in the morning, and later on it hit the upper circuit twice, so it was up by almost 15% throughout the day. So right from 12.2 rupees it went to 14 rupees. Exicom also went up, but काफ़ी लोगों का ये miss out हो गया था, so that's okay. Then I intimidated my traders that I am selling my positions in DOMs that I had taken earlier at around 1250 levels. तो अभी उसका भाव कुछ 1811 था, एंड मैंने वो बेच दिया पर्सनल होल्डिंग्स में. देन आई वाज जस्ट गिविंग देम अ रिपोर्ट ऑफ द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, व्हाट आई डिड इन माय स्विंग अकाउंट ऑफ Zerodha. So the realized profits is around 1.2 lakhs, 1.18 lakhs approximately, and for that I had deployed an overall capital of 24 lakh rupees in so many trades, as you can see. I'll share this report later. Average deployed capital per trade was around 1,17,000 rupees, and average percentage returns per trade was around 12%. So this was my how the April month looked like. People are asking, sir, इसमें कोई negative loss making trades नहीं है. So I'm like, these are my realized profits. Number one, in cash market trading we always realize profits, we avoid realizing losses. Of course there are a few trades that are in losses, but उनके stop losses हुए नहीं है. So I'm holding a few trades. जैसे कि IDBI में मैंने एक बहुत heavy position लिया है at around 89.5 rupees, and till the morning it was in the loss of around 65,000 rupees. But suddenly there was a bulk deal today in IDBI bank, and it soared to 90 rupees for a few minutes and then came back to 88, 87 levels. I have a little bit of a conviction in that trade, so I'm holding that trade, and my stop loss is 82 rupees. So unless and until that hits, I will be holding that trade for a longer period of time. Then moving forward, I was just sharing my story that who am I as a trader, how did I come into the markets. So I took all my savings in back in 2020. I started trading. I was totally into stocks, and I was fortunate enough to catch the 2020-2021 rally of the COVID phase, and that's how I grew my account, grew my businesses, and that's how I am today in this market with so many positions. And I am very comfortable trading in the cash segment. That's who I am personally. Next, people were a bit scared whether there is going to be a little bit of a correction in the markets, but I was on the other side, I was a bit more confident whether क्या ही होगा कैश मार्केट्स का. अगर इंडेक्स में भी 10% का करेक्शन अगर आ जाता है, तो कैश मार्केट्स में मैक्सिमम 15% का करेक्शन आ सकता है, और हमने हमारे स्टॉप लॉसेस के GTT ऑर्डर्स हम लोग अपडेट कर देते हैं. सो दो स्टॉक्स विच विल हिट द लॉस स्टॉप लॉसेस विल हिट द स्टॉप लॉसेस, दैट्स फाइन. In the afternoon time, the this particular share called Moil, it hit all the targets that I had mentioned before. So basically, at we had taken this position in Moil at 307 rupees. Today it is at 371 rupees, and it took around 10 to 12 odd days to reach the targets, and it was a very high conviction trade again. So that's about Moil. Then I was giving some recommendations regarding railway stocks. Railway sector looks good. Asahi Glass करके एक stock है, वो भी अच्छा लग रहा था, मैंने वो भी recommend करा. So basically, I just share the charts for educational purposes. Obviously, I'm not a SEBI registered trader, so I cannot give you direct recommendations. I can just share my charts, and I can share my views. CDSL स्टॉक जो हमने पहले दिया था, इट हिट अ न्यू हाई. उसमें भी मैंने बोला कि 2300 2400 में आप 50% बुक कर सकते हो. There are a few stocks like Moschip that I am missing out on every day. So I just said that आज भी मिस हो गया. Then आज वो stock ने upper circuit भी hit कर दी. And there was a few discussion amongst traders regarding a few stocks, regarding fundamentals and whatnot. They have their own ideologies, they have their own methodologies to filter out stocks. That's what they do every single day. Later on, I gave a few updates regarding other stocks, other circuit stocks, Vakrangi, and Patanjali. Patanjali is also some stock that we had caught recently, right from the bottom levels. भले न्यूज़ कुछ भी बोले, हमारा चार्ट अगर हमें दिखाता है तो हम वो कर देते हैं. देन वी यूज़ अ फ्यू स्कैनर्स फॉर BTST. आई वाज जस्ट शेयरिंग द फ्यू स्कैनर्स एंड through which I found a few stocks for tomorrow that either we buy today and sell tomorrow, or we enter tomorrow in the early morning hours and then hold it for decent gains. Later on, I shared my broker positions that I take for intraday and BTSTs, and on a position of 90 lakhs, I was getting approximately 1 lakh rupees profits in the morning. But while making other positions, I incurred a few losses, and net I have 48,000 rupees after paying my brokerages, interest, etc., and costs. And I was just sharing these things with my community members, and that's what I do every single day. Everything is very transparent in my community. I share my trade logic, I share my trade ideas, I share what trades I've taken, so that everyone is at speed, everyone stays on the same page, and there is nothing hidden in the community. So all that goes on along with my personal trades, along with my broker trades. I work with a broker, and he gives me capital to trade, and I deploy that capital in the market safely as and when I find needed. So that's about it, guys. That's what we did today in the community. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you have any doubts, you can DM me. I will be happy to help you guys in whatever ways I can. And those of you who are interested in joining my mentorship program, definitely hit me with your DMs. The batches for the month of April and May are full right now, but I'll try to accommodate another batch if the demand is high. So yeah, let's think about it, and hope you guys have a safe trading session tomorrow. Yeah, that's about it. Bye.